Dear students, welcoming this video. In the decimal chapter, the subtitle subtraction of decimals, on this we are going to discussing some examples. So already we have discussed some examples on this. Some statement problems still we are not discussed, so that statement problems we are now going to discussing. So already I have written one example on this board. So Akash bought vegetables weighing 10 kg. Out of this, 3 kg 500 gram is onions, 2 kg 75 gram is tomatoes, and rest is potatoes. What is the weight of the potatoes they have asked? So what are the quantities in the example they have given, that we have to write first. So total weight of the vegetables is 10 kg. So how much he bought? So 10 kg vegetables he bought. So on that, weight of onions is 3 kg 500 gram. So here the units are different. Here kg is there and here gram is there. We are discussing about subtraction of decimals, means this 3 kg 500 gram we have to write in a decimal form. So 3 kg is whole, only 500 gram I am going to converting in kg. So already we know that 1 kg means 1000 gram. So to measure 1 gram, so 1 upon 1000 kg it equals. Okay. So 500 gram is 500 divided by 1000. So 500 gram is 0.500 kg it is. Means 3 kg 500 gram, when we written in decimal form it comes as 3.500 kg. So same like that, weight of tomatoes is 2 kg 75 gram. So 75 gram I am going to converting in kg. So 75 divided by 1000 if you did, that will be coming in kg. So write 75, the numerator write as it is. Before that you can put 0 as much as you can. So here in the denominator we have 3 zeros, see 1 2 3. So from the right to left you have to leave 3 digits and put the decimal point. So here see 1 2 3 means 75 gram is equal to 0.075 kg. So 2 kg already is a whole. So for this 2 kg we are going to adding 0.075 kg. So it becomes 2.075 kg. So here weight of potatoes they have asked. Total weight is 10 kg. Weight of onion, weight of tomatoes they have given. So what is the total weight of potatoes? Means total weight of onions and total weight of tomatoes, if we add in that, so whatever the answer came, so in the 10 kg you have to subtract total weight of onions and tomatoes. First of all I am going to finding total weight of onions and tomatoes. So total weight of onion is 3.500 kg. Weight of tomato is 2.075 kg. When you add these two decimals, so here see how much you are getting, 5.575 kg. So we are finding the total weight of potatoes. So how to find that? In total weight of vegetables you have to subtract weight of onion plus weight of tomatoes. Total weight of vegetables is 10 kg minus total weight of onion and tomato become is 5.575 kg. So do the subtraction. See here 10 kg. So after 10 I am putting decimal point and writing 000. Means it value is 10 only. So to the right hand side how much 0 you want, that much 0 you can write. So that is the step of addition and subtraction of the decimals. One step is there. So in that I am going to subtracting 5.575. So here how did the subtraction see? In 0 5 is not going, means I am taking one carry. So 10 becomes, in 10 if you subtract 5, 5 remain. Again in 0 this 7 and this 1 carry means 8. In 0 8 is not going means take one more carry. So in 10 if you subtract 8, 2 will remain. Again this 5 and 1 carry 6. In 0 6 will not go, so take one more carry. So in 10 if you subtract 6, 4 will remain. Here below the decimal point put the decimal point. Again one more 0 we have, in that 5 and this 1 carry will not go, so take one more carry. So 10 happen. So in 10 if you subtract 6, you will get 4. So here 1 is there, and in that you have to subtract this 1 carry, 0 remain. So means 4.425. When you subtract 10 kg minus 5.575 kg, you will get 4.425 kg. This will be the weight of potatoes. Like this statement problems we are doing like this. Dear students, one more problem, statement problem we have. So Namita travels 20 km 50 meter every day. Out of this she travels 10 km 200 meter by bus and rest by auto. How much distance does she travel by auto, they have asked. So quantities we have to write first. So total distance traveled by Namita is 20 km and 50 meter. So we have to write them in a decimal first. So 20 km already it is a whole. So I am going to converting meter to kilometer. So how to convert 50 meter to kilometer? So already we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Means 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So we want 50 meter. So 50 meter is equal to 50 divided by 1000. So 50 divided by 1000, how to write in decimal? So write 50. Before that put 0, how much you want, that much. Okay. So means 0050 kilometer I have written. So how much digits we have to leave, see? So in the denominator we have 3 zeros, means 3 digits we have to left. 1, 2, 3 means 50 meter is equal to 0.050 kilometer. So 20 kilometer plus 0.05 kilometer is equal to 20.050 kilometer. Same like that only, distance traveled by bus is 10 kilometer 200 meter. So 200 meter we have to convert in kilometer. So 200 meter is equal to 200 divided by 1000. So in the denominator we have 3 zeros, means we have to leave 3 digits and put the decimal point. So 10 kilometer plus 0.200 kilometer. 0.200 kilometer. When you add, so you will get 10.200 kilometer. This is the distance traveled by bus. So distance traveled by auto they have asked. So how to find? So total distance traveled by Namita every day. In that you have to subtract distance traveled by bus. Then you are getting the distance traveled by auto. So distance traveled by every day it is 20.050 kilometer. So distance traveled by bus is 10.200 kilometer. So do the subtraction. See here 20.050 minus 10.200. So 0 as it is. In 5 if you subtract 0, 5 only coming. In 0 if you subtract 2, it will not getting going. So take one carry. So 10 happen. So in 10 if you subtract 2, 8 will remain. So in 0, this 0 and this 1 carry, means in 0 if you subtract 1, it will not going. So take one carry. In 10 if you subtract this carry 1, 9 will remain. So below the decimal point put the decimal point carefully, and see here we have 2, this one and this one carry. So 1 plus 1 become 2. So into if you subtract these 2, so 0 you are getting. So distance traveled by auto is 9.850 kilometer. So like these statement problems we are going to solving. Thank you students.